Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GSAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First update comes about, I'm just going to do some house cleaning and get rid of that. Sure, this level here still does pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion with lines all over the place. So I want to try to keep this as clean as possible, so we'll just get rid of that. The first update, though, that does need to officially happen is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closes above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 73 cents as resistance. But now that the price is up above there, that would be one of the newest areas of support. Now, even if the price were to come down there and break below that 73-cent mark, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined. As far as, for those of you that care about more so the big picture of things and want to just kind of take a step back and look at the overall viewpoint, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic yet highly effective way, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 73 cents would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers were currently hanging out, I'm going to go ahead and call that mark right up there at 83 cents. Yeah, I realize the price did technically get a little bit above there, but in my mind, there's more price congestion and data right around that 83-cent mark. So 83 cents, public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases like it's been doing for the past few days, the remainder of the chart will take care of itself, and that includes breaking areas of resistance. So focus on staying above that purple line, and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.